Good morning. It is the day of the infamous Christmas party. So I get half a day today as we prepare for the party. And yeah. So I gotta work half a day. Thankfully, I did my hair last night off of my head. You know, the hair I'm gonna wear for the party anyway. So when I come home, I really just have to take a nap, prepare myself for the day, and that'll be that on that. I just gotta put my makeup on for the evening and wait for my date, who will be going to the party with me, to come over, and we'll just leave from there, and that'll be fun. It's a nice cool 50 something in Chicago, so it's not as bad as it could be, but for some reason my knees are pretty inflamed today. So I woke up and first thing first, I took some pineapple cinnamon. I had a pineapple cinnamon smoothie today to lower my inflammation, and I did some stretching, and hopefully that kicks in for the better, because I did not like the way my knees were feeling this morning. It was like kind of very stiff, my right knee, and that's the knee that was giving me big problems last year, and I don't understand why it would give me problems today, because for the most part I'm feeling pretty good today. But once I take in some more medicines, once I take in some more food, I'm going to pop some ibuprofen as well, just to take care of a little bit more inflammation, because I got too much going on this weekend. It's back-to-back Christmas parties to be stifled at all. So I'll check in with you guys after work. Walking through the city, we're in the finance district, on our way to rest up for the big shebang tonight. I was gonna wear red, but since somebody has burgundy on, I will be wearing burgundy because I want to mesh. Okay, so just to let you guys know, I work in the finance district of Chicago. We just walked past legendary LaSalle Street. Suits and ties in the windows. And beautiful hotels and diners. And this is the city. Real Gotham City. Probably my hair is just a little too tight right now. Alright, how about we just loosen the wig? Alright, there we go. So we're on our way to the holiday party. Same as last year's Vlogmas, but we're looking a little better. Running late per usual to the events, but You know, you gotta be fashionably late. Nobody likes to be on time. Duh. All right, so we are entering the holiday party at the Little Goat Diner. Look at the little goats. Look at the big goat. So this is what the party's looking like. We're waiting to get our food. It's being made over there.
There's the hair. Does like this, but then it's like
For the camera. Hold on.
More life. First round, probably about that. Very nice. Where's Polecat? Polecat says, Bridgeview. Right across the street.